Today I'm going to explain the idea behind Banknote World's educational website and walk you through on how to upload your own banknotes. Banknote World's educational website was created specifically for all things related to banknotes and its community of collectors. It is a non-profit website and offers free images and information on tens of thousands past and present banknotes. To get started, go to www.banknoteworld.org and you can register for free with just an email, collector name, and password. In this example, I will upload an Azerbaijani 1 minute. Once you are logged in, you can begin by uploading banknotes by selecting the Add Banknotes tab at the top. In this page, you will fill out the form that includes the denomination, image of the front and back, optional image description, PIC number, date of print, and country selection. Once you have uploaded your banknotes, they go to our review team to verify the image and information. Once they are approved, they go live on the site and you can even view the banknotes you uploaded in the My Collection tab. If you need any assistance in finding this information, feel free to contact us via email and we will gladly assist you. Sign up for free and start your collection today at www.banknoteworld.org.